Hello there. I just wanted to show you what I got going on here. Um, the last time I was working on this bracket with these supports, and I finished the bracket, and the supports are finished, and now it's mounted where it's supposed to be. This is the bracket that holds the motor, and these slots are for the adjustment for the belt when this piece and this piece that mount the motor slides back and forth, so I move it backwards. I install the belt and then I move it forward to put tension on the belt, and I have the pulley and the belt in there. And this is just it's supported in the back with these two spacers, and then this is just a series of spacers here to hold that. And I have the adapter mounted here, and it'll rotate now. I'm rotating it here on the pulley. So since the motor is mounted and the belt's on and this is rotating, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this unit and I'm going to tip it on its side, and then I'm going to attach the motor controller to it and see if we can't get this thing to run. But so this motor unit is pretty much complete now. Like I said, I have it all attached, all the holes are on. I put notches in here so I could access these bolts with an Allen wrench. Before, the Allen wrench, it was just hitting right here on the front, and I needed a little more room to the back, so I put these notches in there. So I have access to those 4 bolts that hold the engine in place. And it's adjusted and it's ready to go, and I got the clamp on the bottom. I got the clamp on the top. So, like I said, I'm going to get the motor hooked up and get this thing running. All right. Okay, we're back. I got the box out of the garage, the box that came with the motor. It's on the bed. And this is the little controller unit. And I plugged it in, 110 volt. Then we got this this piece here, which actually hangs from underneath the unit. Well, it's a sewing machine, you know, and the this hangs upside down. Then the motor attaches to this little bracket on the back, and then this piece here goes to the foot pedal, and it's got these little pieces in here that attach to the bracket. I just not using those. Anyway, I just I looked at the all the settings on this thing, and of course it's hard to understand it because I don't deal with this, but it looks pretty close. I mean, you know, they give you a default and they're all within the range, so I guess if there's anything that needs to be changed, you can change it by going into the parameters. So I plugged it in, turned it on, and it works. The motor spins. So when I move this up, now you can definitely feel the servo motor lock when it stops. It doesn't keep rotating, but it doesn't seem to lock because I can rotate it, but I guess it depowers or something, but it sounds like it goes into a lock when it wants to stop. Of course, you're reading these numbers upside down. This is supposed to be like this. Plus, I have a gear reduction on there, so it's not, I don't remember what it is. Like here it says 400. But anyway, it seems to work. Yeah, so what I just did was I paused you and I rotated this unit. Because I want to show you the bottom here. That's the first time you ever heard that noise. So anyway, it's of course there's no thread on the back of this thing, but starting to come out. Yeah, I got to make a drawbar or something for this. Yeah, we get some little glue or pasted tape or something to put in there. But anyway, that's pretty good. At least we got this far. Now we got to attach it to the upright piece and attach it to the linear rails and attach it to this, attach it to that, and build the top frame, and got a little ways to go. All right. Talk to you later.